Hi everyone, welcome to week 3 of the Flowers Forever KAL. This week I will show you how to crochet the small flowers. This is what they look like at the back. This is the front. You will need to crochet 20 small flowers. I will also show you how the small flower is crocheted into this gap. To crochet these small flowers, just use up your remaining bits of yarn that you have left over after crocheting the bigger flowers, and mix up the colors as much as possible, and you should be able to make your 20 small flowers with that. Round 1 of the small flower, start with a magic ring, secure that, chain 4. This chain 4 counts as a double crochet and chain 1. Now double crochet chain 1 6 times. 1, 6. Double crochet one more time. And then you should have 8 double crochet. 2, 4, 6, 8. Pull the magic ring a bit tighter, and the round is closed with a single crochet in the 3rd chain of the starting chain 4, and the single crochet counts as a chain 1. Round 2 is crocheted in the same color, chain 1, that does not count as a stitch, single crochet in this same chain space. And now you will make 3 front post extended double crochet around the next double crochet. That's the first. That's the second. And that is number 3. Single crochet in the next chain 1 space, the space here. The single crochet is the end of the repeat. You need to repeat this 7 times in total. After that 7th repeat, you need 3 more front post extended double crochet around this double crochet here. 1, 2, and 3. Slip stitch into the first single crochet, cut your yarn, pull that magic ring tight, and the center of the small flower is ready. Pull your yarn up and out, pull the slip stitch tight, and you are ready for round 3. Round 3, attach yarn in the space before any single crochet of round 2, and make sure you attach your yarn behind this loop here as well. The first stitch will be made as a standing double crochet, and you will make 2 double crochet in the space before any single crochet. 1 and 2. Now picot, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch in these 2 loops here to make a perfect picot. Now repeat this in the space after the single crochet. So 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and picot again, 1, 2, 3. Repeat the 2 double crochet picot before and after each single crochet. At the end of round 3 you should have made 16 picot. Close the round with a slip stitch in the first double crochet, cut your yarn and pull the loop up and out, like so. Pull the slip stitch tight and we're ready for round 4. For round 4, attach your yarn around any 2 double crochet. The first back post single crochet is going to be made as a standing stitch again. I'm going to make the first back post single crochet around these 2 double crochet here, and that's it. Chain 2 loosely and back post single crochet around the next 2 double crochet, and this is all in this round. Chain 2, back post single crochet around the next 2 double crochet, and chain 2 again, and this is what the flower will start to look like. This is the last back post single crochet, chain 2 and close round 4 with a slip stitch in the first back post single crochet right over there. There you go. Cut your yarn, pull the yarn end up and out, and the small flower is ready. Pull your yarn ends tight to slip stitch tight, and this is one small flower. I will now show you how a small flower is crocheted into a square gap. Slip stitch in the chain space in any of these 4 corners, and I'm going to choose this chain space here, right behind this leg that is sticking up a bit. Insert your hook and pull your background color up there. So that is where we're going to start. Get your flower, and now in any of these chain 2 spaces, double crochet in one of those chain 2 spaces. There you go. Now pull this yarn end tight here so that it doesn't fall apart. Pull loop through in this stitch here. Half double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Pull loop through in the next stitch. You will pull loop through after every stitch on the small flower, and each pull loop through will be in the next stitch of these stitches in the gap. Next we will half double crochet in the next chain 2 space. Pull up through in the next stitch, half double crochet in that same chain 2 space. Pull loop through, single crochet in the same chain 2 space. Pull loop through, single crochet again in that same chain 2 space. Pull loop through. Now single crochet in the next chain 2 space. Pull loop through, always in the next stitch. Single crochet in the same chain 2 space and pull loop through in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next chain 2 space, pull loop through, single crochet in the same chain 2 space, pull loop through, half double crochet in the same chain 2 space, pull loop through, half double crochet in the same chain 2 space, pull loop through. Now half double crochet in the next chain 2 space, pull loop through, double crochet in the same chain 2 space, pull loop through. Now we are in a corner, chain 1, pull loop through the chain space on the side, just behind this leg here that is lying on top of it. Just pull loop through there, and we are at the beginning of the repeat. The repeat started with a double crochet and it's made in the same chain 2 space. And then pull loop through in the next stitch, half double crochet in the same chain 2 space, and I think you know the drill now. Summarizing the stitches on the small flower, in the corner you will have a double crochet, half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, and then half double crochet and a chain 1, and then the repeat starts in the same space again, in the same corner space. And after each stitch you will PLT in the opposite side, and the repeat ends with a half double crochet in this same chain 2 space as we started in, PLT in the next stitch here, double crochet in that same chain 2 space, PLT in the next stitch on the opposite side. Now chain 1, cut your yarn and pull the yarn end up and out. There you go. And pull that slip stitch tight, and you can pull that yarn end to the back with your hook through the same stitch as we started in the same chain 2 space. Just pull it to the back. And now your small flower is attached and the gap is filled. Attach all 20 small flowers into the 20 small gaps that you have, the 20 small square gaps that you have. And this is what it should look like. Next week I will show you how to make the half flowers and the quarter flowers, and we will square off the blanket. So I hope you have fun again. Bye bye.